The following is a blizzard warning from the National Weather Service for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Bergen, Burlington, Camden, Cape May, Cumberland, Essex, Gloucester, Hudson, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Ocean, Passaic, Salem, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren, and the following areas in New York: Kings, Queens, Nassau, New York, and Suffolk. Blizzard warning in effect from 4 a.m. Wednesday until 12 a.m. Saturday. What blizzard conditions expected? Total snow accumulations of 18 to 24 inches. Winds gusting as high as 60 miles per hour. Where? For portions of southeastern New York and the state of New Jersey. Impact: travel could be difficult to impossible. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. Additional details: the worst conditions are forecasted to occur during the overnight hours on Thursday night going into Friday. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay within your vehicle. Tune into your local NOAA weather radio all hazards for further updates regarding this winter storm.